Hello YouTube, here we are, DX Expedition number 3, Portishead Coast to the bird hide. I've been here before in my past, test cycles and stuff like that. But this is DX Expedition number 3 to the portbury bird hide on Portishead Coast. It's a bit of smoke there, sorry it's not a ghost light. But yeah, about 10 foot above sea level in this bird hide. About 300 yards in from the coast of the River Severn. So yeah, back to the bird hide. I thought I'd bring the bike in this time. I've got a torch over there as well, a little bottle of drink. But yeah, this is the hide light. This is the enclosure. Capturing it a lot better than I used to be able to on my other phones. Cameras there. Yeah, it's quite big, isn't it?
Right, I don't know where he's gone. I've lost him altogether now.
That's Kevin coming through on the
Feasting it.
I'm not sure if it's coming out.
Still there, Steve?
Right, I'm going to go to the radio now and talk to Kevin, MW3IQE, in Penavan, I think it is. Yeah, Abercunnan or something like that. He's 30 miles away anyway, line of sight. So we're going to give him a call now on simplex on 433 400 on the Balfang UV5R with the NA773 telescopic. It's not even outside, but we're going to give it a go. MW3IQE from M6 Sierra Tango Lima. Static at the portbury bird hide, Portishead Coast. Are you getting me alright there, over? Yeah, we got you, no problem there. We got you about 6, maybe 7 at most. Radio 5 there.
When I leave for the fight, then I'll do my radio instead. I take the source and everything. But talk for them to go to a good set, good over, and I'll call you on it.
Yeah, okay, Kev, I got that. Have you got me okay? I'm not sure if you're picking up any of my transmissions, like. Have you got me at all there? Back to you.
Yep, I got you. I'll give it another long over there then. I'll record the signal and all the rest of it, you know. I'm actually sat inside the car talking to you on the handles.
Oh, excellent, from Mike 6 Sierra Tango Lima returning. Oh, that's brilliant, and I'm glad we made the contact, like, because this it's a good location. I knew it was, even though it's only, well, sea level almost. Okay, yeah, I'll give a long over there. So you can get me in phase, hopefully, for the, the best signal there. Yeah, amazing what I'm using just to get to you. 4 watts, Balfang UV5R, external speaker microphone, and an NA773 telescopic. So good going, isn't it, really? I'm glad this has turned out to be a good test, well, test cycle, like, I think I'm living in the past a bit. Expedition, that. Yeah, back to you from M6STL, MW3IQE.
Go on, give it another over there now, 'cause I'm outside the car now. I'm outside the car now, so you'll be a lot clearer.
Oh, that's better. Yeah, that's more like it. Signal 7 there. Signal 7, radio 5. Yeah, wonky dory. I'm actually glad that it can make this contact. I ain't got to go outside in the freezing 3 degrees, like, the bird hide hasn't got a door anymore, like. There we are, no door. It's all blasting in there, not to worry. Yeah, so what is my signal with you, Kev, roughly there? Oh, that's madness. I mean, you're varying between like 3 and a 7, up and down every now and again. Not Yeah, you certainly got it. You got it. You got the right phase there. You're in signal. It's all good. Amazing. Recording in spectacular 4K here. Absolutely amazing quality. Brilliant. Yeah, so you're getting me obviously on a good signal then. Probably something like an 8 or something, or maybe higher, I don't know. But I got you pretty strong considering the conditions as I'm showing on the video right now. Inside the hide against a piece of wood, like, you know. 30 miles simplex. UHF as well. Yeah, fair play. So have you got the readout on you at all, Kev? Have you got the old height that you're at, the altitude? Yeah, you still by, Kev? Looks like he's on standby a minute. Anyway, there's the setup for the expedition number 3 to the coast. Portishead, Bluey's territory. David Bluey, goal. Nice little close up there. Yeah, anyway, while we wait for Kevin to return, have another little look around. Yeah, it's quite big in here, like, as you can see. These little bikers, bits and bobs. Yeah, we was looking at this section here. Just put this out of the way and show you. Got these either side, and then it flips up. Hopefully no one sees the light coming from in there like, and calls the police, because it's been known to get vandaled, this place. Anyway, so yeah, we basically put that up there like that, and then that locks into place there. It's now open for me to stick my head out. Don't know what you can see in the distance. That's basically straight across the river Severn. There's Portishead Coast to my left.
Right, I'm back now, everybody.
River, oh no, that's all the industrial
But anyway, I do
estate
clean
agent,
days,
like.
Steve. I filmed it anyway, so I'm setting that film to somehow.
There we go. I'll just first show you that little opening there.
Sort this up.
Many of them.
Still on your Chris.
Well,
Well, you're clear, he was getting a bit from down there.
come on. Alright, let's have a look.
On your hand there, like, unbelievable.
There's a lot of cold air in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish then.
Swing your Batman pants, come on.
I've been too low, see.
Anyway,
But what I'm gonna do in the summertime, I'm gonna bother the ladders from next door, get a bubble bracket, booked it to the side of the house,
yeah,
by the side entrance.
for now on the radio, so
And I've got about 30 feet in the air with the X30 cut in here.
stand down, see what's on.
I do a proper job, cut down the sides, and put a good clamp on it, tighten it up so it won't come loose, and then stick it on a pole and stick it way up in the air. I got the poles here to do it,
Mind you, it is
so I
close to 2
get
a.m.
it sorted in the summertime. And
2:50.
we should be up about
Anyway, let's show you the entrance to this place.
state entrance.
What we'll do. Show you a little video of the entrance. Here we go.
Maybe 30 feet
Lots of stairs to walk down there.
in the air, and where it is now,
We'll do a little walking entrance before we
maybe about 60
end the
feet
video.
altogether. You look at about 60 feet. You know where the house is, over the side entrance.
Come
So
through this
get
gate.
a proper bracket tight by there.
Here we are. Some sort of gate opposite. Cool looking in full there. Or river there, like. There we go. Avon Wildlife Trust, see? Part of the bird-eyed situation. Situation. Anyway, let's head back down to it. Get myself all mud. Yeah, ran out of clip space then, so we're back with another 5 minute. Well, That's how much left we've got. It's a bit condensed, isn't it? That's what it's all about, the bird hide, and there's the various species, obviously. There you go. Sign outside the hide. You can't really see much out there because it's a bit too dark. But there's the entrance there. So obviously we're walking through this gate.
Where I am, see, I'm down over the other side, I am.
Through the little alley there. Look how it's made. It's beautifully made, right?
I'm basically looking down towards him, like. From up here.
As we go.
Our valley is murder's the worst, mate. Driving back on. On the road just below MG. He's talking to Zulu Alpha as well, Marcus. I don't know on what frequency he was on, because when I was on that 433-525, is it, whatever it was,
Some sort of data.
he came straight on it, Mark.
Anyway.
No, he was doing on it.
Been too bad,
Look,
actually.
I've come around 2 corners now,
Bit of a cold one,
and I
but
still can't see
It's
above
still
me.
rain and stuff like that.
I can see up towards the
good,
Rond there, and all
Been a
that.
good expedition. I'm not sure where the
I
fourth
still
one's going
can't
to
see
be, but the
Johnson's
next
even
one's
by here
probably
where I am
somewhere
now. I
different.
can't get on.
But we have lights.
And like the other day,
Coming back
when
here
I
after
was
all
on
this
at 50 watts and I couldn't hear him.
73, hope you
And he
enjoyed.
couldn't hear me.
Thanks a lot to Kevin and Chris there for
I still
mentioning
don't hear him,
us.
mate. I'll tell you what it is now.
Well, I've
Just down
come
by here,
out
because
to the expedition
I'll
this
go
late.
on.
Fair play to him, mate.
Oh shit, what's that? Big
yeah.
old flying off a thing there.
Thanks all.
Don't spotted it.
Hope you enjoyed. 73 and catch you soon. Thanks all.
Oh shit, was that? There's an owl in front of me flying around.